Yes, okay. So welcome to Cluster API Provider OpenStack office hours. Today is 11th February. And yeah, we have office hours. We will abide by the CNCF code of conduct, be nice to each other, and so on. So let's get started. I put there a point about CI status update. We did have quite red CI over the weekend, and then wait, which am I looking at? So first the E2E full test started failing 6th, and that was actually because the autoscaler test is broken due to the V1 beta 2 that doesn't have conversion webhooks yet. Then the dev stack was broken, so all the tests went red. Now the dev stack is back, and I think that only this autoscaler test is failing now. At least I saw, yeah, the normal E2E test is back to green. And I think also, yes, release 0.14 is also green. Good. So that's a little update on that. I'm not sure what to do about the autoscaler test. I'm surprised that it tries to convert. Would be interesting to see if we can tell it not to, but maybe it's not possible. Anyway, I think we have at least work in progress pull requests for. Here is the conversion one from Bharat. It's a bit different from how we used to do conversions. So I asked about conversion gen instead of sort of manually doing it with this unsafe pointer for many fields. I will anyway try to look into that also, see if we can get completely back to green. Yeah.
The autoscaler should be non-voting, right?
Yeah, it's non-voting. It's not in that sense any issue. It's just this. It's just this full test, and we can see that it's only this one test that fails. The others are green, so it's not that big of a deal.
Okay, I might look as well, but I do find it quite weird that it expects auto conversion to be there while the rest do not. So
yeah, I'm not sure really why, but yeah, I haven't looked more than I just saw the logs that for some reason it tries to use that, and of course it fails because we didn't implement it yet.
yeah, if I have done some time tomorrow or Friday, I'll try to check it. Yeah, I wrote it, but yeah.
Nice, thank you. Okay, but that's it for me. You had something.
It's the only I've thought about it before. It's basically our documentation, especially when it comes to options we have for configuring clusters and different scenarios, let's say. I mean, the core stuff are there, but they are in a single page. And I was thinking for a while that maybe we should, try and improve it a bit.
Yeah.
There was also the question today on Slack, which, it's somewhat related to that, I believe.
Yeah, I agree, and I have had actually for a quite long time. I have had thoughts that I should try these different configs. I haven't done it yet, so I have just used the normal template with everything. But it would really be great to improve those things. Yeah, I agree.
I mean, okay, I don't expect. I mean, we are mostly doing the V1 beta 2, so I don't think we can put a lot of effort there, but I think it's something we should have in our radar.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree. I can try creating some issues for tracking at least. I think I have one actually for automatically rebuilding
Yeah,
our docs. Yeah, because
I
they
saw that
go.
one. It actually gets quite difficult to solve. Actually, I think
Yeah, yeah. Maybe we actually maybe it would actually make more sense that we just link to copy instead of embedding it. Um,
when I was thinking about it, I reached the same conclusion basically because
yeah,
I was looking about how Netlify and how this stuff are done, and I was like, this. I couldn't find an easy way to run a weekly job to just fetch the new information. Of course, I
yeah,
might be missing things, but yeah.
yeah. I'm not sure what it would take. It might even require actually pushing a PR to merge some no op change, and then it would do it. But I don't know. A link might be a
Yeah,
better
I
alternative.
I think I was ending in a similar conclusion, but then I was like, do we really want
No, no,
something like that? And
probably not.
yeah,
Probably not.
anyways.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't have other points. I don't won't have time to work on docs. I'm just saying that it's something we should have in our radar. Yeah, the other thing is I was wondering about the V1 Beta 2 progress. I mean, I'm checking the PRs and I'm looking at them as well, mostly because I want to start implementing before everything is in place. Because I think if everything's in place and then I have to make 5 API changes, then it could delay things quite a bit.
yeah,
So I was, yeah, I'll have some time tomorrow and Friday, and I'll try to check Hark and pipeline. But yeah, was that's sort of the problem. Problem, not really a problem. The thing that I'm looking at.
yeah, yeah. But it's very appreciated that you look into this. If you have time to review this one, please also do. I am a bit.
I actually looked at
Yeah.
it.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's been quite a while since I've done conversion, so I don't feel fully confident about, let's say, approving it.
Yeah.
Like I'm not confident that I know exactly what it does and that it is correct.
Mm.
Syntactically, etc., I checked it. Um,
Yeah. I'm mostly
I'll
worried
touch it
about.
again once your comment is tackled. I'll check it again, but
Yeah.
again, my approval is a bit shaky in PRs like this, basically.
Yeah, yeah, understandable. Yeah, and for me also, I think it looks okay. I'm just concerned that we are doing things different. That copy is using conversion gen, and we used to do that also before. So I think that would be probably the
Preferable.
safe, yeah, the safer way to go, and so on. But yeah, we don't have any conversion currently, since we got rid of the older API versions. So this is a bit new territory again.
Yeah, maybe we need to check out on the very old release and see how it was done.
Yeah, yeah, that might help. I'm not sure if Bharat checked that even, but yeah, we should probably check that. Can we just reuse that?
Okay. The last side point, but I think you already. So I have made some issues about the V1 Beta 2,
Hmm.
and I've seen you have thumbs up most of them, except the load balancer, which is debatable.
Yeah,
Um, yeah, so I'll start implementing those as early as I can. and I think we are pretty much aligned that they are correct, right?
Yeah, I like them at least. Let's see if we can get any other comments. I'm not sure how active Mandre and Stefan will be, but hopefully they can chime in. For example, on the load balancer one, I don't have much to say, but it would be nice if they could check also.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't have other discussion points. I'll check the autoscaler failing job probably tomorrow, and then I'll start see if I can start implementing something in a weird fork. But yeah.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay.
Thanks for this then. I will stop the recording. We can keep it short. There we go, recording stopped. Yeah, thanks for showing up. It's nice to have these started again. We had a very slow last year, but now we have them quite regularly. I'm happy.
Yeah, it's quite good.
Yeah.
Thanks as well for hosting it.
Thanks. Okay.
Even with chaos at home, from what I
Yeah.
read, but okay.
Yeah, it's calm right now, but you never know.
Okay, well, see you.
See you.
And
Bye-bye.
thanks.